Hey guys, so an option trader recently got in touch with me. He wanted a quick way to place bracketed, spread, straddle, and strangle option orders with multiple take profits on Interactive Brokers TWS from an Excel sheet. So I helped him build an Excel tool, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So this is the Excel tool that I created. And as you can see, there are three tables in this sheet. The first table is the contract details table. In this table, we specify the details of the two option legs of a straddle or a strangle or a spread order. This table is further divided into three sections. In the topmost section, we specify the details of the underlying. In the second section, we specify the details of the first option leg, and in the third section, we specify the details of the second option leg. So right now I have specified the ticker as Nifty 50, which is an index on National Stock Exchange of India. The type is OPT for options. Exchange is NSC. Currency is INR. Primary exchange and multiplier I have left it as blank as it is not required for this contract. Then the two option legs I've specified are for a straddle. The first leg and the second leg have expiry of 26th September 2024. The first leg is a call, the second leg is a put. Strike price of both the legs is 25,500 and we're going to buy the straddle. Therefore, action is buy for both the legs. The market data table shows the current bid and ask price of the straddle. And next we have the bracket order table in which we specify the details of the bracket order. In the top section, we specify the details of the parent entry order. So right now it's a buy order with quantity of 150 shares and limit price of 350. In the next three sections, we specify the details of the three profit targets. So the first profit target is at 450 with quantity of 75 shares. The second profit target is at 500 with quantity of 50 shares. And the third profit target is at 550 with quantity of 25 shares. The stop loss is at 300. And in the bottommost section, we can specify a few other parameters like whether we want to transmit the orders or not, whether we want to trade outside the regular trading hours, and the time in force of the orders. Now let's place this straddle order on TWS. So let me open this Excel alongside TWS and let's click on this place order button. And as soon as we do that, three bracket orders are transmitted to exchange. The first set of orders with numbers 19, 19.1 and 19.2 constitute the first bracket order. The profit target for this bracket order is 450 and the entry price is 350. The stop loss is 300 and quantity is 75 shares. The second bracket order numbered 20, 20.1 and 20.2 has the same entry price of 350 and stop loss at 300, but the profit target is 500 and quantity is 50 shares. And then the third set of orders 21, 21.1 and 21.2 is the third bracket order and it has profit target of 550. The entry price and the stop loss is the same and quantity is 25 shares. Now let's place a strangle order. So let's change the strike price of the call leg to 25,000 and let's click on this validate contracts button. And now I'm going to use the same bracket order. So let me open this alongside TWS and click on this place order button. And as soon as we do that, three bracket orders are transmitted, this time for a strangle. They have the same entry and the stop loss and three different profit targets. So I hope you liked this video. Please do let me know your feedback or if you want to share any specific problem that you face while trading.